Good day to all employers, ma'am and sir. My name is Annalyn Bote from Tarlac City, Philippines. I'm Roman Catholic. I'm 44 years old. I am married. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My firstborn daughter is 26 years old. My second son is 24 years old. My youngest son is 13 years old. I am high school graduate. My mother's name, Brihida Yabut. My father's name, Cesar Yabut. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I am the fourth of our siblings. My working experience in Dubai, 2 years as a domestic helper since 2008 until 2010. My duties responsibilities, I know how to cook, clean the house, laundry, ironing clothes, gardening, and marketing. And I take care 1-year-old baby boy and 60 years old elderly. I serving members 4 on the family. I was working in Malaysia also 4 years since 2016 until 2020 as a crew and cleaners. My duties, serving customers, doing cashiering, cleaning the kitchen, and cleaning the toilets. Please, mom and sir, choose me to be a part of your family member as a housemate. I am hardworking, trustworthy, patient, honest, understanding. I'm willing to be learned and follow the employer instruction. Thank you very much. God bless.